Hello everyone, I'm James Ru from Dinstar. Today I will show you how to configure our analog gateway for the feature code. Use the feature code that control our analog gateway. Okay. Actually, this lesson is for our basic training series and provide the customer how to use our analog gateways. And in the previous sessions, I got a lot of the training session already, and they configured. We let the customer teach customer how to configure our PBS with our analog gateway, how to configure the SIP trunks, how to configure FXO or FXS, and so on. So it's very useful training and very helpful for customers. If you want to know our basic training or fundamental knowledge for Dinstar analog gateways, you always can refer that. You can learn start from the zero to hero. Okay. Just now I introduced all the basic feature, but sometimes customer want to maintain or want to check certain like status, certain parameters without logging your analog gateway. Okay, by using the feature code, you also can achieve this task. Okay. Of course, you have to log in first and enable the parameter or enable status first. Otherwise, you cannot control that. Okay. Here got a lot of the category. One is for device function. It means I use the feature code control the device. Okay. Another one is I use maybe the call feature code to control the call functions, control the call. And one more maybe you want to control the DTMF, also can. Here we can see the first list here. We can see that if you want to check your LAN IP or IP address, you can dial certain numbers without going to your logging your GUI. Okay, and dial certain feature code numbers. For example, here we got asterisk 15A or 159, and maybe the hash key. After then, the FXO gateway will give you the reply message and tell you the IP address. If you want to check your WAN IP address or LAN IP address, also can. Of course, you want to check your maybe the phone number or maybe registration status. You don't want to log in our GUI, okay, system GUI. You just from here, you dial by use FXO or FXS, dial this number, dial the asterisk and 16A hash. Then the gateway will reply your the voice message. You will hear the status is okay or not. Okay, and of course you also can set up the IP models, network model, maybe change the IP address and so on. So it's very useful tools to change your analog gateway without logging your GUI. Okay, it's very useful, very helpful to the troubleshooting or to configure your PBS. Of course, you have to enable the status, enable the feature code. And the other one is call function, means like I use some feature code to control the call. And here we can see the first one, for example, call by IP. I just use our FXO or FXS down the asterisk 4 and 7 and asterisk, and after then maybe the IP address, destination IP address. Then the IC remove destination IP address will be ring up. Okay, so can do that. And you also can do the blank transfer. Here we can see that a lot of the feature code for blank transfer is of course quite complex. And we can see all the feature code here. You can try that. And of course, we also have some feature to control maybe the voicemail or maybe the set up the DND and so on. Here we also have some DTMF function. Use asterisk and hash and send DTMF and so on. So it's very flexible, very easy to control by using the feature code. Of course, you have to enable the status first. By default, I think it's all enabled already, and you can, for certain purpose or security purpose or certain customer requirement, you want to control as a strict or limit the control functions, you can disable that. Of course, you can customize the code first. Also can, no problem. After customization, you can submit, save and submit. Okay, this is a feature code. So it's very clear. All the lists here, you also can refer our user manual for more detail. And if you got any problems, you will always welcome to contact our technical guys, or give our message, or leave the contact numbers. Maybe contact you, and maybe you also have to set the debug information for that. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.